Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make kasuri methi flavored simple Shev tomatar sabzi. For making this recipe, turn on the heat. Put a kadai, add a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon cumin and mustard seed. Let's splatter, then add a pinch hing. Pour 3 medium sized chopped tomato. Saute for few seconds. Stir for few minutes, then add a teaspoon butter. This recipe is incomplete without butter. Mix well. Then add quarter teaspoon cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and half a teaspoon red chili powder. Reduce the heat, saute for 3 to 4 minutes until tomato is well coated with the masala. Then add a tablespoon kasuri methi. This is homemade kasuri methi. I have replaced the coriander leaves with kasuri methi. Cook until tomato is soft, then add a cup water. Bring it to boil, add a teaspoon salt and put a lid, cover for 5 minutes and then use a hand whisker. Whisk for few minutes until tomato is soft and the gravy is thickened. Then add 2 tablespoons shev. This is the thin shev. You can add the thick one. Cook for just 2 minutes over medium to high heat. Don't cook for longer time. Our Shev tomato sabji is ready for serving. Serve it with chapati. Children will definitely love this recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.